Hello everyone, and especially hello to my students. So today video I'm going to teach you about pH sound. So before, I used to teach my student, and some of them they have a hard time to remember, and especially when I call them to write on the whiteboard, they miss some letters there. So I hope that this video will help them. Okay, so now let's start. Okay, so as you know, English letter it's have the different sound when we put them together. So like these letters we put together, it doesn't make their own sound, it make another sound, which is the sound of F. So the sound of F is okay. So let's start. Philosopher, philosopher. Okay. Phone, alphabet, phonic, dolphin, elephant, nephew. Okay, so I believe that when you practice this again and again, you will understand more and more, and when you spell it, you not miss it again. So like this one, philosopher. Okay, philosopher. Okay, again, phone, again, alphabet. Okay, again, phonic, again, dolphin, dolphin, again, elephant, elephant. Okay, especially with the word elephant, my student, most of them, they make mistake, they write something else. So okay, so hopefully that is pretty clear for you. Elephant. Okay, and the last word is nephew. Okay, so hope it's really help you, it really helps you. Okay, so thank you for now and goodbye.